Hi there and welcome to Quote Machine, an app for Shopify. Quote Machine is perfect for you if your potential buyers are calling in or sending emails with questions regarding your products that could be price or certain features. The app will help you convert these prospects into paying customers through individual offers delivered via email. Let's quickly walk through the settings. On the General Settings page, the amount of days until expiry of the offer can be defined. What's more, you can type in messages that you would like to be displayed once an error occurs. Let's hit Save and jump to the presentation page settings. These settings will allow you to define standard texts, such as title, header text, and footer text for your presentation page, so that you don't have to do this in every individual offer. It does make sense to use placeholders, such as prospect name. The offer discount can have an individual name, and the products can be listed in a certain style: list, grid, or slider, depending on what you like best. The styling of the page can be modified when it comes to coloring and typeface. Of course, you can also define the text of the page's call to action button. At the bottom, you should upload your shop logo. Then hit Save and you're ready to jump to the email settings. The default email address that will serve to deliver your offers sits here. If you want to change this, you have to create a DNS record with your domain host. If you don't know how to do this, please contact us. All the email details, such as subject, message body, and footer, can be defined on the settings page. Comparable to the settings on the presentation page, it is possible to adjust coloring of the button and the text in your email. Hit Save and you're ready to go. Should you get stuck, it is always possible to call for help. So we're done with the settings. Now let's create an offer. Hit Add Offer. Define your individual offer name. That's what we use the placeholders for. Choose your products. I will choose 2 products here and add them to the offer. You can select from all the products sitting in your Shopify system. I can now modify the individual product price tag, the quantity, and I can also delete products from the list. Now this is why Quote Machine is a quotation spinner. The only thing I need to be able to send out an offer is the customer's email address. Should the customer already be existing in my shop's contact list, their data will be auto-completed. If it's a new customer, like I said, I only need their email. Data such as name or shipping address is optional at this point. I now have to define the discount. I'm choosing 20% here. This discount will be added to the price tag modifications I did a little earlier. Then I'll add shipping details. In this case, shipping is free. And if I wish to extend the standard expiry of 10 days that I set in the global settings, I can modify that here. Save and send, or save for later, and here's my individual offer. The offer can always be edited and updated. In this case, I'm increasing the discount amount to 25%. Update, and I'm back in the offer list. If I click Send Mail or Resend Mail, the call to action email will be sent to my prospect via the email address specified in the settings. The coloring looks exactly like we defined it in the settings, and if I hit the call to action button, I will be taken to the presentation page. On the presentation page, everything looks like we adjusted it in the settings: colors, shipping conditions, product selection, and display. On hitting the call to action button, I will be taken to the regular shop checkout where I can define my shipping address and choose my favorite payment option.